Welcome to your speaking test today for Academy Stars 1 for Unit 9 and 10. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, but before we start, please introduce yourself. What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Anna. I'm 8 years old.
Wow, great job. And how are you today?
I'm so happy.
Yes, and teacher is so happy to see you. So we will start your speaking test, okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So your speaking test, it has 4 parts. So let's begin to the first part of your speaking test. Okay, so here, Anna. Okay, so you need to tell me what are the foods that you can see in the picture. Okay, what are the food that you can see in this picture, Anna?
I can see banana. I can see apples. I can see a watermelon. I can see a carrot. I can see a tomato. I can see
Radish.
rabbit. I can see
Potatoes.
potato. I can see ice cream. I can see cakes. I can see one hamburger and it's
Pancake.
many pancakes.
All right, good job, Anna. So let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. You will identify the food and then you will group it. Is it belong to the fruit group, dessert group, or vegetable group? Let's start.
Yeah.
Mhm. This is,
This is a strawberry.
it
It's
belongs
in the
to
fruit.
fruit group.
This is a vegetable. It's in the vegetable. This is a ice cream. It's in the
Dessert.
This is a cake. It's in the cake.
Mhm.
This is the vegetable. It's in the vegetable. This is an orange.
Oranges.
It's in the fruit.
Okay, very good, Anna. So yes, please be seated. Look at this picture. So please tell me which is different from the group.
Picture free.
Picture.
Picture free.
Okay, excuse me. Yes, picture 3. Toothbrush. Next.
Is
Sorry.
picture free.
Picture 3 is different because it's
Because
vegetable. And all of them are fruits. Okay, how about here in this picture?
is picture 1.
Picture 1
Is
because
is not vegetable, but no,
it's
it's a fruit.
okay, very good. Which
It's
one is different?
picture 4.
Why?
It's not big, but it's small.
Okay, very good. Okay, look at this picture. Which one is different?
It's picture 1. He is eat fruit,
Yeah.
not
They are eat.
they are not
Eating
eat cake,
unhealthy food.
healthy food.
Yes, they are eating unhealthy food. Okay, so in this part, Anna, you need to answer personal questions. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I so like fruit.
Wow, so I like, yes, so you like fruits very much. So what fruit do you eat at home?
It's
I eat
apple,
and
grapes, and watermelon.
wow, so you like fruits, okay. And what food do you like?
I is I like um I like apple.
Oh, you like apples, okay. And what food don't you like?
I don't like bananas.
Bananas, okay. What do you have in your bedroom? What can we see in your bedroom? Is it big?
It's big.
It's big. And
and have
it has
Polo. It have mommy's teddy bear.
Wow, okay, I think your room is nice. And what food do you eat with your family at home? We eat,
we
we eat,
eat apple and many fruit.
and many fruits. Wow, okay. And can you tell me example of healthy food? What are examples or what foods are healthy?
Um, is mm, is um, is burger.
Okay, healthy food. Which food are healthy?
Is
Fruits and
fruit and
vegetables.
vegetable.
Again,
Vegetable.
fruits and
Fruit and vegetable.
all right. And what foods are unhealthy? Not healthy. What foods are unhealthy?
Um, is is mm,
What foods are not good for our body?
is
Is hot dog good for our body?
is burger.
Burger and what else?
Cake,
Okay.
ice cream.
Okay, that's very sweet. Okay, so they are not good for our body. How about, is your mommy's bedroom big?
It's big.
It's big. Okay, so which one do you like, your bedroom or your mommy's
I
bedroom?
like bedroom mommy.
Yeah, so can you say, I like my mommy's bedroom?
I like my mommy bedroom.
All right, good job. Okay, so that's the end of our speaking test. Anna, job well done. Okay, you did great in your speaking test. So more practice, keep on practicing. Okay, so let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.